Hello world, hello programmers. Today I will be explaining linked lists to you using a song playlist as my example. But before we dive in, I'd like to take a second to explain what linked lists are the boring way. So basically, linked lists are a data structure that we use in computer science, and think of it as a chain of connected elements where each element points to the next one, and this chain allows us to store and organize data dynamically. Now that's a pretty boring way of explaining it, so I created this image to spruce things up just a little bit. So let's make it more fun. Imagine you have a playlist on your music player, probably Spotify. Each song on your playlist is like a node in a linked list. It has a title, an artist, and a pointer to the next song. So as you listen to your favorite songs, your music player moves from one song to the next. This movement from song to song is similar to how a linked list works. And as we create our playlist, we want to, maybe add songs to our playlist, remove songs from our playlist, and ultimately we might want to play the playlist, right? Listen to our music. So let's get started. Let's create our playlist. Let's create our linked list using this as our example. Alright everyone, so here we are in Visual Studio. I've created our linked list based off of the image that I showed you previously. Now let's go over the explanation step by step. So this code defines a struct named song. A struct is a data type that we use to group multiple variables of different kinds under a single name. So inside of our song struct, there are three member variables. This includes title, which holds the title of the song, which is a string, artist, which holds the name of the artist who performed the song, which is also a string, and next. Now this variable is a pointer to another song struct, representing the song in the linked list, or the next song in our playlist. It's essentially the link that connects one song node to the next in the list, kind of like our image here, with the arrows pointing to the next song. And finally, we have our constructor. So the song struct has a constructor, which is a special member function that creates objects of the song struct. This constructor takes three parameters. It takes title, artist, and next. So this parameter has a default value of null pointer, indicating that if no value is provided, the next pointer will initially point to nothing. And inside of our constructor, the member variables title, artist, and next are initialized with the values passed as arguments. So this constructor allows us to create new song objects with specified values for title, artist, and the next pointer. Alright everybody, unfortunately due to the video having to be 4 minutes or less, I cannot go over all these functions, but feel free to pause the video and examine them as you wish. We have three functions to add, delete, and play our playlist, and I want to show you how the program works real quick by adding three songs. So I'm going to add three songs, the first one being Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. So notice we have to add a song title and an artist each time. The next song is going to be Dance Monkey, the artist is Tones and I. Finally, our last song is going to be Blinding Lights, and the artist is The Weeknd. So now let's play our playlist, and notice it shows all of the songs that we added. Now let's say that I don't like that middle song, Dance Monkeys, so let's remove it from our playlist. So let's find that title, Dance Monkey, and notice that the song has been removed. So we'll play our playlist one more time and see that now there's only two songs in our playlist. Great, so let me show you how this works in the background. Okay everyone, so I've added some breakpoints to add song and our remove song functions so that we can see in real time adding and removing nodes from our linked list. So let's rerun our program using our breakpoints. So we're going to add a song called ABC, and the artist is going to be the alphabet. So now if we go back to our program, we'll notice that we have a title now called ABC, an artist called alphabet, and a memory address ending in 79FC0 for the whole new song in our playlist. So now let's remove this song from our playlist. So we're going to add a song to remove. And now we're going to remove it, enter a song, and we got to put in the title. So we're going to put in the title ABC. And we're going to remove the song. So notice that our song is about to be removed. So notice that the same memory address 79FC0, and we're going to delete that memory address. So the song has been removed. So now if we keep running the program and play our playlist, we notice that there are no songs to play. Thanks everybody. This has been my video on linked lists. I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day.